it's called, it's in general called Hiwi positions. I'm not sure the exact German translation long for of it. It's like Hilfskraft something.
Studentische Hilfskraft.
Studentische Hilfskraft. So you are basically working as a student researcher. And as you might already know, you have a working permit of like 20 hours per week. So you can work at the institute that you came in or other institutes as well. For my experience, I just met some guy and we started to talk about robotics, and he was saying like, oh, okay, I was looking for a helper, if you want, you can apply. And that was my journey for the my Hiwi job. So you can also apply for them. Actually, that's the normal way. You apply for them and you get an interview, and after that they'll decide if you can join or not. But like most of my friends are doing Hiwis for at least 8 hours per week, and it's good for you are earning some money, and also you're gaining lots of experience in your field, and you get to get a hands-on experience.
I agree. Just from our side, academy side, we would strongly recommend not starting a Hiwi job or any kind of part-time job in the first semester straight away, because that would just be too much stress for you. You need time to settle in, get used to our academic standards and so forth. So we would say, yes, you can, of course, do a part-time job, not more than 20 hours per week.
For CAME, I think it is mainly in the research field. People mainly absorb CAME if they have a higher inclination towards doing a PhD. But I'm not saying it's just bound to a PhD. You can also go into industry as a researcher for a particular job, because the CAME curriculum gives you a very in-depth knowledge about the finite element methods and the tensor algebra, a very very core understanding of the mathematical calculations which you require in the simulations. So that is one of the, and you can work in various fields. You can work in like with nanofluids, you can work with vehicular dynamics, multi-body dynamics. There are a lot of aspects in case of CAME, because it's much more theoretical.